I will teach you how to use Google Calendar. So the main function of Google Calendar is to organize your life. So to understand how this application works, the first thing you need to know is how to create an event. So let's assume I have a class tomorrow, Monday 12, on 10 a.m. Here is Monday. If you want to change this vision, you just go up here and click on it. And you see that you can change that by month. And now you have the month vision. So I just go here and change it back to week. So let's assume I have a classroom on Monday 12. So I just go and click here. Now you open it, the main menu of Google Calendar. So I'll just go here and change that title. If the time is not right, you can just click here to change it. I can change the time to, let's suppose, 9:30 a.m. until 18:30 a.m. So I just click here. So here you can set how much this event will repeat. So we will repeat daily, weekly, and many other options, even custom. You can add Google Meet video conferencing to the event. You can add a location to the event. And you can add a description or attachments like a photo, a video. If it is not an event and it's just a task, I go here and mark as task. So this final option set on what calendar my event will go to. With this color here marked, my event will go to a calendar with my name. So I want to change that. I want to create a calendar just for school things. So I just click here, then I go down, click here and set school. This is a school event now. Here you can set if it is a busy event or is a free event. So I just let as busy. And you can add a notification too, 10 minutes before, or you can custom. Here you can click add more options, and here you have a more complete and complex menu. So I just save it this way. When you open Google Calendar for the first time, this calendar right here, school, will not be there. So here at other calendars, you click here on add other calendars. You can import from URL. You can browse calendars of interest. You can create a new calendar. I will create a calendar just for work. So I click here and create new calendar. Change the name for work. Set description. Then I click here on create calendar. Now you can see that on my calendars is a work calendar created. So I go back and here it is, work. So let's say my work starts at 1 p.m. of Monday and ends by 5 p.m. And now I will change the title, and to associate my event to the work calendar, I just go here and click on work. Now it's a work event. So I just go here at save. Let's say that I have to remember one thing to do on 2 p.m. in the middle of my video editing work. So I just go here at 2 p.m. and click here. Change it to task. Drag this right to see it better. And drag this here at the middle of the already created event. So here it is. I will set as upload video on YouTube. So I just save here. And let's say that I work every day. So I just click here at this created event. I go here at edit event. Then I go here at this menu and click on daily because I work every day, let's suppose. And go here at save. Now, every day of your Google Calendar, you can see that your work is set. You can see that it's here, 1 p.m. video editing work. Probably the Google Calendar will set your holidays to where you live because probably Google knows where you live. So let's say I want to change that. I just go here at other calendars and I will browse calendars of interest. And here you can set the holidays of where you live. I just go click here to browse all. Here it is. So I just click here. And now going back, I will see all the Brazilian holidays. In this right menu, you can see Google other applications that you might use. So here is Google Keep. Clicking on it, you can see all your notes, and you can create a note by just clicking on here. Here you can create a task, and just like I created a task called upload video on YouTube, here you can add another task and set the date and the time, and will appear here on your calendar. Here you can add your contacts. And the last one is Google Maps. Try it by yourself and report any questions, issues, or ideas in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more informative content about Google applications and many other stuff. Bye!